Join me as I dive into the world of aromatherapy and challenge myself to create the ultimate meditation experience using just scents. Aromatherapy is a holistic practice that uses essential oils to enhance our meditation experiences. By harnessing the power of scents, we can create a more immersive and calming environment that helps us connect with our inner selves. Many of us struggle with distractions and difficulty focusing during meditation. Our minds wander, and we find ourselves lost in thought. This is where aromatherapy comes in, to help alleviate these struggles and create a more peaceful state of mind. Essential oils have a profound impact on our emotions and brain function. When inhaled, they can calm our nervous system, reducing stress and anxiety. Some of us may have trouble quieting our minds, and that's okay. Aromatherapy can help us let go of mental chatter and settle into a more meditative state. By incorporating aromatherapy into our meditation practice, we can experience a deeper sense of relaxation and inner peace. Let's explore some of the most commonly used essential oils in meditation. Lavender oil, for instance, is renowned for its calming properties, promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety. Frankincense oil, on the other hand, is known for its grounding effects, helping us connect with our breath and quiet our minds. Bergamot oil is another popular choice, uplifting and calming our emotions, and promoting a sense of well-being. Lang Lang oil is also a favorite, with its sweet, soothing scent that helps us feel more relaxed and centered. I'd like to share a powerful testimonial that illustrates the profound impact of combining aromatherapy with meditation. A study found that participants who used essential oils during meditation experienced a significant reduction in stress and anxiety. One participant reported feeling a deeper sense of relaxation and calmness, which improved their overall well-being. The combination of aromatherapy and meditation also improved their focus and concentration, leading to a more fulfilling practice. These findings are truly remarkable, and they highlight the potential benefits of incorporating aromatherapy into our meditation practice. In conclusion, aromatherapy can be a game-changer for our meditation practice. By harnessing the power of essential oils, we can create a more immersive and calming environment that promotes relaxation and mindfulness. If you've had any experiences with aromatherapy and meditation, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. Don't forget to check out my other videos on wellness topics. I think you'll find them really helpful.